Okay, so the first thing you guys are going to want to do is you're going to want to go ahead and pull up the essay that you're working on Google Docs. You'll notice I have one here from last year. It was an undercover parent essay, which we may get to at some point later on in the year. What you will need to do is you'll need to go up to File. You'll need to click Download As, and then save it as a Microsoft Word doc, docx that you'll see here. Once you do that, it'll download. Yours may look a little different, but once you see that it's downloaded on your computer, you're going to want to go up to Google. You're going to want to type in Writelab. You'll click on the link. And once that loads, you'll want to go ahead and log in. We should have done this before, but I'm just going through it again. So you'll click Login. You'll log in with your Corcoran Unified. That's going to be the year you graduate, first name, last name. And from here, yours will look a little different. This obviously has my courses in it. But what you'll do is you'll click on My Documents. You'll go all the way down to the bottom where it says New Document. There's a little plus sign here that will help you help direct you where you need to go. Click New Document. From here, on the left here, it tells you how to upload a document. In order to upload it, it needs to be a docx or a .txt file, so a document or a text file. What you'll do is you'll click Choose File, and you'll go find on your computer, again, yours may look just a little bit different than mine, you'll find the file that you saved from Google Classroom or Google Docs. You'll click Open, and then you'll see it here. Now, you're not done yet because the last part of this is that you'll go up to the top right hand and you'll click on Analyze Draft. It'll take just a little bit to do. Okay, so once you've done that, you'll notice now that parts of it are purple, parts of it are orange, parts of it are blue, parts of it are green. Now, what I'd like you to do when you're working with Writelab is to go through and correct or see about correcting, because it's not perfect. But for instance, if you click on the purple, it'll go through each one, and you have the option then of either leaving feedback, so you can ask a question and that's something that I can answer, or you can go, no, that's good, I don't need to do anything about this, and just click X, in which case it won't be purple anymore. And so you'll notice here you've addressed 2% of the comments, and so you'll go through and each one, and what you can do is if you click on the blue, so for instance this one, the author Coben starts his article with his friends telling them. You'll notice here that it says here, try removing the author from this sentence. If that doesn't work, try replacing it with me, them, or her. If you click on the blue, it'll just get rid of it. If you click on it back, it'll put it back. Or if you click on the orange, it'll put it back. If you put me, it'll do that. That doesn't work for this one. So what you may end up doing is just leaving it be. And that's perfectly fine. For some of the other ones, for clarity, for instance, your essay should be organized. This is something that I wrote. This was part of the prompt. Who should be as well as organize your essay and carefully written as you can make of it. That may be one that we want to skip as well. Grammar is another one. This is going to be general stuff that you need to work on in your essay. So whenever you're working with Writelab, I would like you to take care of as many of these as possible. And again, not all of them are going to need to be taken care of, but it is something that if you go through it, hopefully it'll make your essay stronger.